Hey everybody. So I just wanted to talk to you tonight about anxiety and maths anxiety. So I've been reading some articles and looking at research that talks about the impact of anxiety on a student's learning. There have been studies prior to this study on parents and their anxiety levels and what is the impact of that on a student. But studies prior to that looked at the impact of a teacher's confidence or a teacher's anxiety on students. And in that study, they actually showed that the teacher's levels of anxiety impacts the student, not only from the fact that the teacher may avoid teaching, but also just their anxiety levels or their comments around, I was never so great at maths, or maths isn't really my thing, that concept, and particularly gender specific in terms of female teachers that say that to female students, they've shown that the marks for the students reduce significantly just based on the attitude. So when this additional research was done through the University of Chicago, and a couple of psychologists there did this research to look at what is the impact of a parent's anxiety around maths on their students' outcomes. So they were looking really at whether there was a relationship that was stronger with genetics or whether it was stronger related to the parent's attitude. And what they showed was that it was the parent's attitude that made the greatest impact. So if a parent was anxious, even if the parent was able to actually show the student and help them with their homework and show them how to get the answers, the key determinant was what was their level of anxiety. So the key recommendations that they brought out of this study is that we need to have a way to reduce parent anxiety, but also to reduce teacher anxiety in relation to mathematics. And the key way that I know that this is impacted is actually by teaching the ease of maths and using a hands-on and a multisensory approach. We're basically going to build rectangles and count, and all of us can build rectangles. Thanks so much. This is Esther Wyatt. Happy to be able to share this with you.